So many of you who've been watching my videos want to know how I make my living online. Well, you're in luck because I'm going to be sharing how I made six figures online. So stick around. Hey, I'm Sharon Lee and you are watching Fearless and Power Tube. This is the place to be where I talk about everything mindset, entrepreneurship, and intentional living. So you want to know how I made six figures online, huh? So it all started with my skin spa. It was a brick and mortar business, not online, but I had had so many years of having an online business all the years before. I knew I could do it again. My motivation for selling my skin spa was my kids. I had been homeschooling for so many years, and working in my skin spa meant that I had to show up every single day in order for that business to bring in money. So I sold the business and the rest is history. The first thing I decided to do was to go back to having a blog. That was something I started off with way back in the early 90s before Google was Mr. Google, a household name. So I learned an awful lot about SEO. That's search engine optimization. But a lot has changed over the years, and I kept learning as the years changed. So I learned exactly what Google wanted. I even was able to learn a little bit about what Yahoo wanted and Bing wanted, and I was able to give them exactly what they wanted. So what happens there is every single blog post that I create can be indexed immediately and ranked highly. So your goal when you are creating a blog is to monetize it. Now, I have never done banner ads or anything like that, but I am not above doing that. That's something that would be easy for me to do. But instead what I did was sell other people's products. It was so easy to do, and it's easy for you to do. It's called affiliate marketing. So you can create a blog post that's around a product, something that helps someone solve a problem. Now, the key to selling someone else's product is to only sell something that you believe in. That was the very first trick that I learned. And the reason why is because of the law of attraction and your energy. It's so incredibly true how people pick up on your energy, whether you're just trying to sell something or whether you were being genuine. So that was something that I learned early on, and I made more money. So the first thing that you want to do is start thinking about how you can sell something that's going to help people, something that you truly believe in that's going to be able to help someone. So you'll need a WordPress site, and you'll also need to be able to have a way that you can build your email list. So I created my email list to be able to give people a newsletter every single week where I can inspire and empower them to do the things that they say they want to do, plus giving them free information. That's something that you can do so easily with a really inexpensive guide or a PDF, a checklist, or even a video series. So I've done all of those things to build my email list, and in that way you're able to actually sell people through your email list. So another way that I make my money, six figures and beyond, is through coaching. So here's what you want to do. You want to be thinking about a skill that you have. If you're thinking about coaching or consulting or even freelancing, so maybe you know how to create websites, for example, or maybe you're an expert in some of the tools that are used for WordPress sites. One of my recent purchases was for Thrive Themes. So that's a product that I use to help me make sure that my blog posts are pretty, my sales pages are pretty, and my courses. It actually has a membership portal in there so I can keep all of my memberships, my digital courses, in my own website. There's an awful lot of other types of teaching courses that you can use. There's Teachable and Thinkific, for example, and Member Vault. I have used those in the past too, but I wanted to be able to house all of my digital products on my own website so I have more control and I'm not spending money every single month on their fees. So some of them will give you up to 2 courses for free that you can house on their platform. But beyond that, then you have to pay a fee. So what I decided to do was to purchase a program which was relatively inexpensive, and it was only $69, and it's called Thrive Apprentice. Thrive Apprentice is a software program that I use on my WordPress site that helps me create digital courses, digital membership programs. So this is a way that I'm able to sell over and over and over again. And it's an amazing way. Another way that I've made money online is through Kindle books. That's right, you can write books and put them on Amazon. You don't necessarily have to be an Amazon bestseller in order for you to make money on Amazon. There's a lot of people out there who want fresh material. So you can take an idea that you have, write a book on it, and make some money. I'm not going to lie, it is not something that you're going to make a lot of money on, but it's good to be able to make a little bit here and there, especially if you're trying to make money on the side. Another way that you can make money online is through an Amazon physical store. That's right, you can have your own product and you can put it in an Amazon store. This is an amazing opportunity, but I do have some warnings for you. Make sure that you have your business entity already set up before you even open up your business account there, because it will take a long time for them to actually approve you. So this is something where you'll actually have to have your bank account set up. This is a business checking account that you have to have set up. That was a big mistake that I made. I want to be able to pass on my failures so that you don't make that mistake. So that is how I make 6 figures and beyond online in my business. And it's so easy to do. I know you can do it. So if you want to help people thrive, pass on the word, go ahead and like this video. That's how it works here on YouTube, and they'll show this video to more people so that more people can be abundant. All right. You are watching Fearless and Power Tube. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want more videos about winning at life, mindset, entrepreneurship, and intentional living. Make sure that you click the bell so that you can get notified of fresh videos when I upload them. See you in the next video.